Ever sneeze just from looking at the sun? Before I tell you why that happens, hit like, subscribe, and tag a friend who'd totally freak out over this. It's called the photic sneeze reflex, and it makes some people sneeze when they suddenly see bright light. Scientists think it happens because the nerves in your eyes and nose get their wires crossed. So when your eyes react to the light, your nose thinks it needs to sneeze. Around 1 in 4 people have it, so if you sneeze every time you step outside, congrats, you're basically solar powered.